welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add custom emojis on Discord. So go up here and go to server settings and go to emoji and press upload emoji and find the emoji you want to use. As you can see, you can upload up to 49 slots. You can also change the name of it here. I'm just going to name it Cute Duck. You can upload another one by pressing emoji, and again you can rename it. Press escape, and when you want to use it, you're just going to press emoji and you're going to find it here and you can use it, as you can see. And you can also use it to react to a message. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!